Hi guys, it's Diane again. I'm here with my son Liam today.
Hello!
And we are going to make some fried eggs. He's looking for some fried eggs for breakfast, so I thought this was a good opportunity to make a video. So I am going to be narrating, and Liam is going to be doing his own cooking today. So Liam, let's get started.
Okay.
Do you want to turn the stove on to about 5? Once the egg starts cooking, you're going to want it to turn your heat down a little bit. But for right now, we're going to start at about medium. So wait just a second. We've already pre-greased his pan. He's already washed his hands. Look at those nice clean hands. And we've already put we've got a nice clean pan, nice clean spatula, all of our stuff laid out right here that we're going to need for his fried eggs.
Salt, pepper, butter, eggs, a spatula, and a pan.
Right,
and don't forget the stove.
Our bread over here is over here for the toast.
With the toaster.
And the toaster is set to the toast setting. All right, now the pan has heated up just a little bit, so let's go ahead and throw your egg right in there. No shells. Put the shells into the garbage, please.
Okay.
Do you want 1 egg or 2 eggs today?
I'll take 2 eggs.
All right, so you want to pop another one right in there. You can fry 2 eggs together.
Woohoo!
Now Liam is still at the age where he doesn't like the yolks, so he likes to pop the yolk bubbles.
But usually you wouldn't.
I prefer to have the yolks, but that's totally up to you how you want to do that. So if you want to go ahead and pop your yolk bubbles, Liam.
I think it's also just satisfying when you pop them, isn't it?
Maybe to you.
That one already popped itself.
All right. Now you want to throw some salt and pepper on there. Be careful. Do not touch that hot pan. Your fingers are coming awfully close. Okay, now you want to turn your heat down just a little bit. It's starting to snap, crackle, and pop a little bit, so you want to turn it down.
There
you go. So now you're going to wait just a couple seconds, and you're going to let the bottom of those eggs cook a little bit where they're not quite so runny. They're still pretty runny in there. I don't know if you guys can see that or well or not. Alright, so Liam, now while you're waiting for your eggs to cook, because they will not take that long, why don't you go ahead and throw a couple pieces of toast into the toaster.
Toast setting. Pull them out.
There you go. Alright, now those eggs look pretty good. You can cut them in half, or you can flip them as one big unit.
Okay. This is going to be hard.
So, yep, you want to loosen up from the bottom of the pan. Go all the way around it. There you go. Good job. We did put some nonstick spray in there because our nonstick pans still do stick a little bit.
Oh, geez, I'm going to break this one.
So maybe it's better to cut them in half and cut them and flip them as 2 separate eggs. Okay, watch your fingers. You're getting close to that hot burner. There you go.
It's good.
There, good job.
And that kind of folded like an omelet.
That's okay. It will still taste yummy.
I know.
All right, now you can set your set your spatula down. You always want to have a clean work surface to set your stuff on.
Paper plate.
Yep, set your spatula down. Here's another paper plate for you to have for your food. And now you're going to want to turn, see how it's still kind of runny right now? You want to flip them again, and then you want to turn your heat off.
Okay.
There you go.
Flip again.
And then turn your heat off. And you want to take it and move it off the heat so it doesn't overcook.
Okay.
Okay?
Woo!
Now let's go ahead and put the eggs in the refrigerator.
Keep your house.
And you probably want to shake just a little bit more salt and pepper on those eggs.
Okay.
My son really likes his salt. Be
up to you.
careful to not touch that hot burner.
It's just up to you how much salt and pepper you want to add. Doesn't have to be what we're adding.
Why do you put it into your hand first?
I do.
I don't condone putting it into your hand first because just in case you do come into contact with some germs while you're doing this, you're then contaminating your food and eating it. So here is your toast.
Just popped up just in time. Oh, jeez, I suck at butter and toast. Want to switch places?
I
now?
will. This way. So we're going to put a little layer of butter on the toast. Making sure not to leave a bunch of crumbs inside your butter.
Mmm.
And then Liam can take the eggs. Be careful for that hot burner. And he likes to put his eggs right on top of his toast.
Right on top.
All right.
And then you enjoy.
And then you enjoy. I hope you ladies all have a great day. And any gentlemen that may be watching it too. And enjoy your cooking. Bye. Say bye, Liam.
Bye, guys.